Let's talk about something that totally wrecks a good night's sleep. Constant trips to the bathroom.
Waking up more than once a night just to go? Yeah, you're definitely not alone. It's a condition called Nocturia, and it hits over half of all adults over 50.
So what's the deal? Well, for a whopping 88% of people, there's one main culprit. It's called Nocturnal Polyuria. Basically, your body's clock gets mixed up and makes more urine overnight.
But other things can add to it, like sleep apnea or even that late-night coffee.
But here's the great news. You can absolutely do something about this. Let's get into the fixes. First up, and this one's huge, try to cut back on drinks a few hours before bedtime.
And try this trick. Put your feet up for an hour. It helps your body deal with fluid earlier.
And don't forget those pelvic floor exercises. They seriously strengthen your bladder control. A great first step, just track how often you're going. Then have a chat with your doctor.
Remember, you don't just have to live with this. A solid night of sleep is totally within reach.